How y'all doing? It's your boy Valentino in the most favorite part of my house right now. As you can see, kitchen. It's holding it down. Well, I'm about to sing a song to all the ladies. It's called Trey by Trey Songz though. It's called Kinda Loving. Most of y'all might know it, some of y'all might, but y'all could just run along with the vibe. Trust me, y'all gonna love it. Let me get something to drink. Let me get something to drink first. What's that? Alright. Let me explain the way your love has got me feeling. I walk in the door the way you hang up on my pimpin'. Ready to let go of my heart and give it all to you for the rest of my life. It's like I can't go a road to no one else but you, babe. Nobody else can make me feel this way that you, babe. You're the only one I trust, and baby, that's what's up. And that's for real. 'Cause girl, you got that good kind of sweet, kind of deep, kind of right, kind of loving. Oh, yes, you do. And girl, you got that, yeah, baby. Ooh, baby, keep it right there. I love it, kind of loving. And girl, you got that right, kind of sweet, kind of deep, kind of sweet, kind of loving. And I love it. And girl, you got that, yeah, baby. Ooh, baby, keep it right there. Kind of loving, and I love it. If I was music, girl, you know I'd be the speaker. If I was running, girl, you know you'd be my sneakers. And if I was standing on the block with money in my sock, and that's for real. And girl, I can't see myself with no one else but you, babe. Nobody else can make me feel this way that you, babe. You're the only one I trust, and baby, that's what's up, and that's for real. Thank y'all, thank y'all. Hope y'all liked it.